Hey there, Tech24 fans. Today, we're taking a look at the incredible HP notebook laptop. This sleek and powerful machine boasts a 15.6-watt HD touchscreen, an Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor, a massive 32 GB of RAM, and a lightning-fast 1 TB PCIe SSD. With upgraded memory and storage capabilities, you'll experience enhanced high bandwidth and super-fast boot-up times. The Intel Core i3-1115G4 processor with Intel UHD graphics ensures smooth and seamless performance for all your computing needs. The 15.6-watt diagonal HD touchscreen display provides a vibrant and immersive viewing experience, perfect for work or play. Not only does this laptop offer impressive specs, but it also comes equipped with a variety of connectivity options, including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, and more. Plus, it runs on the beautiful new Windows 11 Home operating system, offering a fresh and consistent new design and improved performance features. With all these amazing features, the HP Notebook laptop is a must-have for anyone in need of a reliable and powerful computing companion. So why wait? Click the link in the description below and get your hands on this incredible laptop today. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech24 for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching.